Hey, it's Marko and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on your Pinterest account. So first, what you want to do is, depending on are you on your web, Android or iOS. So let's first go to the web. So you need to log into your Pinterest account. You need to click the arrow at the top right corner of your screen. You want to click on settings, click manage account, scroll down until you see personal information, and under birthday you would enter your birthday and then click on save. Pretty easy stuff. On Android, same thing. You need to open up your app, log into your account, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen to open up your profile. From there, click on this gear icon at the top right, then account management, personal information, birthday, enter it, and done. If you are on iOS, the steps are the same, but as you can see, the only difference is that they made a grammar mistake here. But the steps are pretty much the same. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave